Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign in to Audible application on your phone. So once you download your Audible application, if you don't know how to do this, we have another video on our channel about that. You want to go and open the Audible application. Now this is going to ask you to log in to the Audible and to select the marketplace. If you're in the USA, select USA. If you're in Australia or New Zealand, select the Australia or New Zealand. I'm in Europe right now, and Poland, and I'm going to use the UK option. So after selecting the marketplace, you want to click continue, and then you are going to be asked to log in to your Audible account. So let me just log into it. So after typing your email and your password, you're going just to click continue. And after all, you're going to be logged in to your Audible account. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!